Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking another look at a Lego Polybag, and this one is set 30211, and this is Uruk-Hai with Ballista. And I figure since we just looked at Gandalf, I might as well take a look at the bad guy. Or bad guys, one of the bad guys. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, you might want to think about subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing a Lego Polybag build along, one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you're interested in this set, I'll include a link in the description where you can find the set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also a link to the brick set page for this if you want information about the set itself and, you know, like when it was made, etc. Alright, so let me find, I think the Uruk-Hai has body armor, doesn't he? He does. I thought that's what this was. It's a piece of body armor. It's like a breastplate. So maybe put his arms down first and slip the breastplate on, and then put his arms back up. There we go. Alright, I wasn't actually thinking about that, but that's kind of cool looking. I like the breastplate. And our buddy the Uruk-Hai just has, oh, he has two expressions. So maybe it gives you two different Uruk-Hai? The paint pattern is different. So we're going to go with this one. He looks much happier. And then a helmet, like so, and a big ol' axe. A polearm. Alright. I kind of like the Uruk-Hai. I feel like this is one of those things, like if you wanted to have an orc battle in minifig, you'd need a bunch of this particular polybag. Alright, so we got him taken care of. Now let's put together the Ballista in question. Alright. So this one actually looks relatively straightforward. So, got those pieces there. And this. And little spiky tooth things to make it look extra menacing, because that's how the Uruk-Hai roll. And if I can get the hold of the tooth, here we go. And this goes on top, like so. And these are going to be the arms of the Ballista. I kind of feel like this is one of those things where there should be like some kind of string or something. So we got that and that, and then so gotta put this together like so. I like these hinges. Although I've never been super crazy about the ones with the longer top plate. But man, when I was a kid playing with Legos, these hinges were gold, because that's what you use to, you know, put together your robots. Alright, so this gets him aiming upward, so we can aim at an angle. And then last, we have the, is it called a quarrel in a Ballista? I don't know. There we go. We got that, like so. And you push it to shoot it. Not a bad little set. It's kind of, I think this guy is probably the coolest thing in the set, though. I like the breastplate. That's neat. I wonder if that breastplate is in any sets related to actual, like, knights or if it's just sort of a Lord of the Rings Uruk-Hai thing. I don't know. Neat looking though. Anyway, let me know what you think. If there are any polybags that you think I should check out, or if I've made any terrible glaring mistakes, you can let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.